This open heart arrangement, crafted with fresh red roses, is a timeless floral design that speaks directly to the heart. Versatile and elegant, it can be created for a variety of occasions, from Valentine's Day and wedding ceremonies to home decor and, of course, meaningful funeral tributes. Red roses have long been a universal symbol of deep love, passion, and romance, making this design a powerful expression of emotion for any setting. To begin, I need to choose the correct size floral frame. My customer ordered a 28-inch heart, which means I need a 24-inch diagonal frame to achieve a finished heart size of approximately 28 inches. It's important to remember that the final floral arrangement will be about 4 inches larger than the frame itself. The first step is to fill the frame with pre-soaked floral sponge. I cut the sponge into pieces and insert them securely inside the wire frame. Next, I wrap the sponge to hold everything firmly in place. To save on cost, and when time allows, I use a garbage bag cut into strips approximately 4 inches wide. While floral wreath wrap is more convenient, it is also more expensive. I wrap the strips tightly around the sponge and secure everything with black electrical tape to prevent any movement or slipping. Once the frame is ready, I prepare the roses. Large heads of slightly open red roses are delicate and can easily break during insertion into the sponge. To prevent this, I wire each rose. I know this sounds time-consuming, but it's well worth the effort. Wiring helps secure the roses in the sponge and prevents over-opening and petal loss. When the roses are ready, I cut the stems at an angle approximately 2 inches below the flower head and insert them into the floral sponge. I place 2 roses per row, side by side, arranging them in a checkerboard pattern by alternating larger blooms with smaller ones. I also make sure the inner and outer lines of the heart remain even, without curling or forming thick areas. Creating a monochromatic arrangement using a single type of flower is actually quite simple when done this way. I then wrap corsage tape around 18-gauge wire and create a loop at the top of the frame for hanging and attachment. If the client wants a bow, I'm happy to add one. While the arrangement can be completed without it, I believe that for a monochromatic design using only one type of flower, a bow is essential. It acts as a focal point and helps complete the overall composition. After all the roses are in place, I decorate the edges and cover any visible mechanics with greenery. I prepare small pieces of greenery by cutting them from salal branches. Since salal stems are softer than rose stems, I use a knife to create small holes in the plastic wrap before inserting them. In addition to salal leaves, I use blue spruce. This winter evergreen adds fullness and breaks up the smooth texture of the roses and salal, making the arrangement more visually interesting. If the customer requests filler flowers, this is when I usually add options such as baby's breath. I cut the filler flowers into small pieces, gather them into a small bunch, and insert them into pre-made holes or existing spaces among the roses and greenery. Once finished, the heart arrangement can be stored in a refrigerator for 1 to 2 days before the event. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it educational. Please like and subscribe for more floral design content.